What if you land in China and your phone suddenly becomes useless? No maps, no messages, no payments, no ride apps. Most people get this wrong, but here's why choosing the wrong ESIM can completely ruin your trip. I tested multiple ESIM options in China, and today am sharing the surprising truth about which one actually works. China has one of the strictest internet systems in the world. Many popular apps and websites are blocked. This means not every ESIM can connect properly, and some that advertise China coverage still fail in real use. The first thing you need to know is that the best ESIM is not always the cheapest. I tested several global and Asia-focused ESIM providers. Some connected quickly, while others took minutes or failed completely. The most important factor is whether the ESIM routes traffic through international servers. When it does, you can access apps like Google, WhatsApp, and Instagram without needing a separate VPN. You won't believe what happens next when your phone suddenly works like it does back home. The best performing ESIM was the one that offered full international routing, fast LTE speeds, and simple setup through a QR code. Setup took less than 5 minutes, and it worked immediately after landing. Speeds were fast enough for navigation, video calls, and mobile payments. Cheaper ESIMs often connected to local networks without international routing. This meant blocked apps, slow speeds, and unstable service. Most people get this wrong by buying the cheapest option, only to spend their trip struggling to connect. Battery usage was also different. Some ESIMs drained the phone faster due to unstable network switching. The reliable one stayed stable all day. The surprising truth is that paying a few extra dollars saves hours of stress. If you want reliable access in China, choose an ESIM that supports international routing and stable speeds. Travel smarter, not harder. Subscribe for more real-world travel tech reviews that actually help.